Hello guys, this is Muftar, OFGBfx. Um, it has been a very fruitful week. Uh, Donald Trump and his propaganda. So I took some losses this week. I took two losses this week. I think the NZD USD, no, the Aussie dollar. I took the Aussie dollar. I took a Aussie dollar loss. I was buying. I think I was buying right around here. So I took a loss. I think the Aussie is going to continue down to around this level. So I just take out this line. So I think it's going to get to this level before we see any buys here. So the sellers ideally will be waiting for signals, more signals to sell from this level. Yeah. So that was the Aussie dollar. Took a loss. I'm guessing most of you are asking how much loss my account was in. But just around 0.7%, a fraction of a percentage, which is a lot to me. So I just wanted to share some of my setups. The Euro NZD, I took a loss. I was shorting. We thought it was going to retrace around here, but it didn't retrace. So I just wanted to share a few of my setups. I've been scrolling through. I guess most of you have seen them already. So USD card, I'll start by the USD card. I'll just share two. I won't share a lot, just two of them. So the USD card, it broke a major uptrend. I think in the last month, it broke a major uptrend. And made a lower low. There's a low here right now that's lower than the previous low right now. So we should be looking for short opportunities. Of course, the short term. I'm speaking from the swing point of view. The short term to medium term traders will be looking to buy right now because on the weekly and the monthly is a very stronger bullish trajectory. So they'll be looking for retracement on the smaller time frames to enter, looking for flags and retracement to buy to the upside. Basically, that's what the short-term traders will be doing, scalpers and the rest. So you have to be looking for the up moves on this side. So as of now, it's is on an upward trajectory. As a swing trader that I am, I'll be looking for waiting patiently for it to get to my level before I look for a signal to enter. My bases are on that. It is now a downtrend. It's trying to switch to a downtrend, but as of now, it's basically consolidating in this little channel over here. You could see 1, 2, 3. So perhaps this level. Yes. So basically, this is my USD card setup. But short-term traders will be looking for continuation of this buy. You could see that the bearish weeks are very, very stronger than the bullish. So it shows you there's a lot of selling pressure than the buying pressure. And that's how I want to trade. I want to be on the side of the people who are buying, who are selling the least. Sorry, who are selling the most, the people who have the purchasing power in the market. So as of now, I think it's the bears. So I'll be looking to join the bears in the sell of this card when it gets to this level. So as of now, we should be looking for up move. But as a swing trader that I am again, I'll be looking for a short move down. Yeah, so I want to share NZD USD. I'll share NZD USD too. I'll just scroll through the rest so you can see it. Euro NZD. So this is where I expect it to form another likely sell. If it doesn't turn from this level, we'll be looking at this level over here. But as of now, we're looking for, because this is a very, very strong bullish signal right here. So there's an NZD, right? So I'm sure most sellers, let's start from the monthly, the top down analysis. So basically this NZD has been trending down for like years now. So basically it's on a downward trajectory already. And it looked like it was going to form a very strong bullish flag right about here. It looked like it was going to form a bullish flag right about here to the upside, but it didn't happen. That didn't happen. So it broke the neckline of this level, turned. Now it's doing this, right? So as I was saying, it's on a downward trajectory, and most guys will have tried to buy this, because this right here is a double bottom. This level here. Let me find the double bottom. So that was a buy. That was a very good one for people who entered. When you got to the neckline of this consolidative pattern, there was a sell. So people sold, and most people would expect another bottom over here for a continuation of the buy. So a lot of buyers got stopped out. As of now, this pair is still on a downward trajectory, really. So as I said earlier, I like to be on the side of the people who have the buying, the purchasing power in the market. So now is the best, really. You could see that the green, the bear candles are much more stronger than the bullish candles are now in the market. So obviously there will be some little move to the upside here from this level. Buyers will come in from this level. Sorry, let me take this off. So buyers will come in from this level. But I have marked this level. When it gets here, I still want to sell, because right now this is it can likely be forming a descending triangle. So if my trajectory is right, we should be looking for something like this from this level before the down move, right? If that happens, I wouldn't want to be buying, because as I said earlier, I have a view that this is still a bearish market. So I don't want to be with the bulls. I want to be with the bears. I want to be selling this market. So I expect it to break to the downside just right here. So from here, perhaps I should be looking for bullish moves to the upside, right? So basically, those are the two pairs I thought of sharing. And guys, always try to manage, minimize risk, because risk is what will keep you in the market for that while that you're going to be in the market. So always try to minimize risk, guys. As I said earlier, I took 2 losses, and it didn't amount to at least 1% of my account. So that should tell you something. All right, guys. Have a wonderful week. Perhaps see you next week. Bye bye.